Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to one of the world's most idyllic destinations, Seychelles. Nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, Seychelles is a tropical paradise renowned for its breathtaking beaches, crystal clear waters, and rich biodiversity. Digue Island, covering about 10 square kilometers, is renowned for its unique charm and natural beauty. This relatively small island is famous for its bicycles, which serve as the primary mode of transportation since there are no cars, creating a peaceful and eco-friendly environment for exploration. Anse Source d'Argent is one of the most photographed beaches globally, celebrated for its distinctive pink granite boulders and crystal clear waters. On the southern part of the island lies the Verve Nature Reserve, dedicated to protecting the endangered Seychelles paradise flycatcher, locally known as the Verve. In terms of dining, Digue offers a range of options, from local Creole cuisine to international dishes, with fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and traditional specialties like grilled fish and coconut curry being particularly popular. Praslin Island, the second largest island in the Seychelles archipelago, spans approximately 38.5 square kilometers. It is home to Anse Lazio, frequently listed among the world's best beaches, known for its powdery white sand, turquoise waters, and dramatic granite boulders. Another gem is Anse Georgette, a less visited beach that offers a more secluded and tranquil experience, with stunning scenery and clear waters. The island also features local markets where visitors can purchase fresh produce, spices, and souvenirs, contributing to the local economy and providing an authentic cultural experience. Additionally, exploring nearby islands and hidden coves through organised boat tours, often including snorkeling stops, enhances the island's appeal. St. Anne Marine National Park spans an area of about 14 square kilometers, encompassing several islands and their surrounding waters. The park includes Sainte Anne, Surf Island, Moyenne Island, and Long Island, each with its own distinct features and attractions. Visitors to the park can encounter a diverse range of marine species, including colourful fish, sea turtles, and rays, as the vibrant coral reefs are home to numerous reef fish and invertebrates. The clear, warm waters and rich coral ecosystems make the park a popular destination for snorkeling and diving, offering excellent opportunities for underwater exploration. Sea turtles are frequently spotted swimming near the coral reefs. Additionally, boat tours are available, allowing visitors to explore the different islands within the park, each providing unique experiences and natural beauty. And there you have it, a glimpse into the enchanting world of Seychelles. Whether you're planning your next vacation or simply dreaming of an island getaway, Seychelles is sure to capture your heart with its breathtaking beauty and unique charm. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Visit outingstravel.com to book your next trip.